Hello everyone, to all the Form 5 students. Today I would like to do revision on Form 4 topic, which is financial management. So this is chapter 10. It's a new topic for Form 4 KSSM syllabus, financial planning and management. Financial management process. We have learned before, we have setting goals, evaluating financial status, creating financial plan, carry out financial plan, review and revising the progress, and also we must know what is SMART concept, which is specific for S, measurable for M, attainable for A, realistic for R, and time bound for T. And we also learn what is short-term goal, which is less than 3 years, long-term goal, which is more than 3 years. Now let's solve the problem given. Now this is actually the basic that you learn in lower form. So let's go through the question. Puan Maisara wants to buy a car at a price of 92,000 and she has put 8% down payment from the price of the car. Bank has approved the loan with an interest rate of 2.65 per annum for 9 years. Calculate the amount of monthly installment in nearest ringgit Malaysia payable by Puan Maisara. So please highlight the important keywords. So let's say Puan Maisara want to buy a car, and this car cost is 92,000, right? 92,000. So Puan Maisara pay 8% as a down payment. So down payment we just write 8% times 92,000, the total price for the car. So if you calculate, the down payment is 8%. Percent means per 100, so we will use a calculator and find out the amount of the down payment, which is equivalent to ringgit Malaysia 7360. So Puan Maisara need to pay to the salesman who sell the car 7,360. So the balance of the amount, Puan Maisara need to go to the bank and borrow from the bank and apply the loan for the car. So that is how we work out the amount that she need to loan from the bank is 92,000 minus 7,360. So the amount that she need to loan from the bank is 84,640, right? And then out of this amount, the bank will charge her interest with the interest rate is 2.65% for 9 years. So let's see how much the interest that the bank will incur. So 2.65% times 9 years. Okay, 1 year is 2.65% per annum. So we will take 84,640 plus times 2.65 times 2.65 divided by 100 times 9, right? Okay, so the total interest, this is the interest actually, that the bank charge her is 20,186.64, this amount. So that means total she need to pay is RM just now is 84,640 plus with the interest RM 20,186.64. Okay, so how much actually? 84,640 plus 2186.64 Okay, so it's equivalent to 104,826.64, and this amount she need to pay within 9 years, which is 12 times 9, 108 months, so it's equivalent to 970.62, right? So in this case, Puan Maisara need to pay 971, right, to the nearest ringgit, right? The question say to the nearest ringgit. Okay, so the amount for the car loan is 971 per month. Okay, let's continue. Now the next one is to manage her financial effectively. Puan Maisara has prepared a financial plan as below. So salary is a fixed income, right? Rental also fixed income, so these two are fixed. Commission, rental is not fixed. Okay, commission is fixed. These two. This one, rental is not the fixed income. So that means 3,900 is actually the fixed income. Okay, we call it active income. All right. Then the expenses. Housing installment. Okay, this one is we have two type of expenses, right? Car installment from A, just now we have 971, better write down. Utility bills, petrol, grocery, and then this one all is actually not fixed expenses. So we have active and passive income. So active income is salary 3,500 plus the commission, right? So the answer is 3,900. This is the active income. Passive income will be the renter, right? The renter 700 is the passive income. Okay, let's see the car installment. Okay, rental receipt, yeah, 700. This is the passive income. Fixed expenses will be the amount of the expenses normally is borrow, like loan or the car installment, housing installment. So 700 plus 971, 700 plus 971 normally is compulsory to pay every month, so is RM 1671. Variable income will be variable expenses will be some expenses that can be reduced. So 300, so we add up. Variable expenses be 300 plus 280 plus 500 plus the amount given to the parents 550. Okay, so if you add up all this, you will get 300 plus 280 plus 500 plus 550. So the answer is 1630. Okay, so the variable expenses is ringgit Malaysia 1630. Better write ringgit Malaysia 1630. Okay, does Puan Maisara spend her money wisely? Explain your answer by calculation. So we want to know that it's a surplus of the income or not. Okay, let's see. Salary is 3,900 plus the rental, okay, active income, minus out the expenses. Expenses got two type, right? 1 6 fixed expenses and then variable expenses. 1671 and 1630. And don't forget, actually she also got the saving, right? She say Puan Maisara save 10% of the total monthly income. Total monthly income, which is active income, 10%. So this 10% have to minus out. Okay, it's 4,600 minus out 10% times the 4,600 minus out 1671 minus out 1630. We want to know whether he actually got surplus of there is a balance or not after minus out the saving 10% and the variable expenses and fixed expenses and variable expenses. So this one is actually 4,600 minus 460 minus 1671 minus 1630. Okay, luckily Puan Maisara still got the balance of 439. So in this case, there is a surplus. Okay, so we will say yes, Puan Maisara actually did a very good financial planning. All right. Okay, so we can write the answer. Puan Maisara spend her money wisely because there is a surplus of the ringgit Malaysia 839, right in the sentence. Okay, Puan Maisara. Okay, let's write Puan Maisara spend. You can say she has a very good financial management. Okay, because she actually plan her expenses. So spend her money wisely. Follow the sentence. Okay, spend her money wisely because there is a surplus of her income. RM 839. Okay, so that's how you explain your answer. Okay, now next part we want to know the next story. We haven't finished yet. Puan Maisara wants to save 35,000 in 5 years. 35,000 in 5 years. See, now as a down payment, she need to pay down payment for the house, 35,000. You have to, because you want to buy a second house, calculate the additional monthly saving. Okay, now we know that her income is 4,600, right? So every month she actually save 460. So for 5 years, this is a long-term financial planning. For 5 years, every month 460. 5 years, how much is her saving in the bank? 460 times 60, 5 times 12. She actually managed to save 27,600 her saving. But then her house down payment is 35,000. So if we use 35,000, we minus out 27,600. Okay, what is the amount? Is 7,400. So still shortage of 7,400. For the 5 years, 5 times 12, 60 months. Okay, divide by 60. That means every month every month she need to save about 123.33 cents. So to the nearest ringgit is 124 ringgit. So Puan Maisara need to save extra of 124 ringgit so that she can achieve her financial plan to pay the down payment for her second house. Alright, so the answer that you calculate is RM124. Alright, so that's all my sharing for the financial management. I will share with you more video in my next coming video lesson. Bye bye and have a nice day.